Security to logistics. Truck 7 cleared for entry.
Copy that. Gate opening now. Proceed to Bay 3.
Gently now, easy does it.
Yeah, start it down.
Keep moving along. Shh.
Keep them moving smoothly through the gate. Scanners are reading clear on the last 5 head.
Keep them moving to the far end.
Making sure the portions are accurate, boss. Feed efficiency is high across the board. The new system is working perfectly.
Agreed. The bulls are responding well.
The feed conversion rate is excellent this quarter.
Agreed. The bulls look very healthy.
Check the pressure gauge on Unit 3.
Looks stable, but let's monitor the flow rate at this connection point.
Hit that spot again on the shoulder. Okay, got it. How does this side look? It's perfect.
Looks good, the coats are immaculate.
Updating the records now. Everything is complete. Good hydration, skin looks clear. Okay, marking that down. The score is holding steady at 6.5. All right, bringing them out now.
The sensor data on the hind legs confirms the slight asymmetry we observed earlier.
Yes, but the balance index is improving.
Is the documentation finalized for Lot 3B? Yes, all health parameters are optimal. Records updated. Supervisor.
Are these suitable for the luxury line? Yes, the tensile strength is perfect. Go ahead and tag them.
Water levels are optimal and the agents are mixed.
Inspection complete. Proceed with loading the hides.
The automated spray is consistent.
Good. Let's check the color fastness here. The shade looks stable. We maintain a steady airflow here to stabilize the color. The texture is consistent across the batch.
We adjusted for the slight imperfection right here. No.
All right, that meets the standard.
Are these sets verified? Yes, they are ready to go.
Pants are placed in pressing machine for final shell shaping. Controlled heat ensures perfect fit and structure.
Excellent work, team.
These look perfect. Send them out.